gym at home to get your body working. There is a lot you can do without any heavy machinery or gym equipments. Resistance bands are incredible space-aware way to engage and build muscles across your whole body. These resistance band comes in a variety of sizes, lengths and resistance level and are an exceptional addition to any strength training routine. Each band exerts a particular amount of force on your muscles when stretched and can be used in both upper and lower body training. Another important benefit of resistance band is that it enhances mobility and improves your flexibility. Lastly, these resistance bands are also used for rehabilitation purposes. They've proved themselves essential for ending recovery and are especially useful when it comes to working on hips, shoulders and knee injuries. Hi guys, follow these 5 exercises that you can do with the help of resistance band. The following workouts that we are going to talk about can be done in sets of 3 following 8 to 15 reps, depending on your strength and stamina, with a 30 seconds to 50 seconds gap between each set. Let's get started with overhead pull apart. Grab one handle of the resistance band in each hand. Now stand with your feet hip width apart. Extend your arms out straight up overhead, palms facing away from your body. Keep your arms straight, pull the band apart and out to the sides until your arms reach your T position. Now return to the starting position. The second exercise is Tricep Kickbacks. To start with this, step on the resistance band with both feet hip width apart. Now grab one handle in each hand. Your back should be straight as you hinge at the hips to lean your torso forward. Turn your hands so that your palms are facing your body. Bend your elbows to 90 degrees with arms tucked into your sides. Now keep your elbows tucked in. Push the handles back and up until your arms are fully extended. Return to the starting position. Complete 10 repetitions. Now let's move to the bent over rows. Step on the resistance band with both feet hip width distance apart. Grab one handle of the resistance band in one hand with your palms facing each other. Now slightly bend your knees, pushing your hips back to hinge your torso forward. While doing this, maintain a flat back with core engaged. Drive your elbows straight up to bring the resistance band to your chest, keeping your elbows tucked into your sides. Slowly lower back to the starting position. The next exercise is the bicep curls. Step on the band with both feet hips distant apart. Hold one handle in each hand with your arms down by your sides. Slightly bend your knees and pull your abs in. Now pull the band up towards your shoulders into a bicep curl and release. The last exercise in this group is the overhead press. Start with a squat position and tie the resistance band around your hip. Now bring the handles of the band above shoulders so that your elbows are bent 90 degrees. Press arms straight up, keeping shoulders down, slowly lower back above shoulders and repeat. Resistance bands are a great tool to challenge your body, lose weight and build endurance. Now that you have a complete understanding of exercises using resistance band, you can start it right away and gain all the benefits from it in a proper manner. These are great options for a workout at home, but we would still advise you to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Also, do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.